Once your touchscreen terminal has been set up and connected to Timely, you can use it to check out your clients. This is where your terminal really comes into its own, making this process super smooth, slick, and simple. You can create a new sale either from the customer's appointment in the calendar by selecting Checkout or from the Sales option in the bottom menu bar. After selecting the correct products and services for your sale, you're ready to process your customer's payment. Click the Checkout button to bring up the payment page. You will then see your connected terminal in the Terminal section. Select your terminal to proceed with the terminal sale. Mini terminals will appear with a series of letters and numbers, as seen below, while touchscreen terminals will appear with the name entered when connecting the terminal to Timely, like you see here. Once you're happy with the amount to charge the client, select your terminal. This will connect to the terminal, which will then beep and light up with the amount ready for the client to tap, swipe, or insert their card. Once the payment has been accepted, the terminal will beep and light up with a green approved tick. Select the Done button to continue. Once you see the Sale Complete screen, your sale is all done and dusted. You can then select the Email Receipt button to send the client a copy of the receipt or close the sale by selecting Done. Now, if you want to refund a payment that was processed in store with your Timely Pay terminal, you can do this, and you can do this by viewing the invoice in Timely. First, locate the invoice you would like to refund from either the appointment on the calendar or from the customer's profile, or by selecting View Invoices from the Sales tab. The best part is that the refund will go straight back onto the client's card without the need to use the terminal or even have the card present. Just make sure Timely Pay is selected as your refund payment type when processing the refund. Here's another really handy tip. If your client doesn't want the refund to go back to the original card they used, they will need to arrange another payment type for the refund.